Hello. Okay, so my trip out to Vancouver is going to be postponed. I guess that trip will be delayed a little bit. But you know what? The bike has been packed. I gotta go somewhere. So I'm going to take a trip out to Kelowna. It's supposed to be a gorgeous day today, and I think there's no other place I'd rather spend it than on the bike right now. So Kelowna, here we come. Vancouver, we're coming for you later. But yeah, have a good day, everyone, and enjoy the footage.
About the time that I turned 14, I got a job doing landscaping. Those days were long and my own boss was me. About the time that I turned 16, I got a car, no place to be. I'd fill up the tank and drive out to the sea. The Rockies ain't too far from here if we drive all night. The cold air will do you well in the mountain morning light. So let's ride on through the rain. Come on and take me anywhere that you wanna be. So let's ride. By the time that I turned 19, I'd seen so much and I was still green. It's taken me a time or two to learn the things I want you to